This is a handy dandy factoring sheet that ties in with the sum and product puzzle. You can see the X over here. So this is I want you to fill this in as I'm walking you through this, and you can always stop the video. So factoring polynomials when. These rules will work when you have a polynomial where the degree is 2, which means it's a quadratic. There's your degree of 2. When there are 3 terms, which makes it a trinomial, 1, 2, 3 terms, and when the leading coefficient is 1, which is right here, when there is nothing in front of that x squared. So here's how you're going to factor. So I have an example all the way down at the bottom, right here, x squared plus 4x plus 3. So the first thing you do is you draw in the parentheses. So I'm just going to make my parentheses right here. And then you're going to write in the variables. So we have an x and an x, because we know x times x gives you x squared. So then you can go ahead and you can make that x, there's the x, and fill in the c and b values. So remember, the c value is what you're going to get for multiplication, so that would be the 3. And then the b value is the 4 down at the bottom. So now we are going to determine the side values of this x. So what numbers multiply to get me to 3 that add to get me to 4? And that would be 3 and 1. Or 1 and 3, it doesn't matter. So we're going to put these values in the parentheses. So it's a 3, which means it's a plus 3. And a 1 means it's a plus 1. And x squared plus 4x plus 3 factored should be x plus 3, x plus 1. And we can double check it through double distribution. X times x is x squared. X times 1 is 1x. We're finished with the x now. 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 1 is 3. So you have 1x plus 3x is 4x, so yes. X plus 3, x plus 1 is the factored form for x squared plus 4x plus 3. Check the web for any homework you may have.